Okay, we're here at the caboose at Panther Creek. We're just going to give y'all a tour of the inside. We got the stove here, and it's intact. It's in better shape than mine was when my caboose came home, so. And then got the bunk over here and tanks for the water and stuff. Let's see. Jacob, did we find the bathroom?
There was, I don't think there was.
It might have been taken out.
It's probably taken out.
Yeah.
These are just wardrobes back in here.
Yeah, some of that might have been where the batteries were for from the generator. And up here's the cupola.
Which there, that's probably his closet.
So, yeah, it's pretty empty down at this end. Did you say there's a closet?
There's a closet.
Okay.
Cans in the corner.
Gotcha.
On the right hand side.
On the right-hand side. Okay. Gotcha. All right.
Just don't step over the 2x4s.
Okay, well, that's the inside of the caboose. And there's Jacob. And here's the outside of this caboose. And it's down here at the park, Panther Creek. Okay. And I think we're going to go visit some more. We're here in the troop sleeper at Yellow Creek. So, the bathrooms are back at this end. So there would have been bunks up and down through here. No telling how many. They would have stuffed a bunch of guys in this thing in World War II. Pretty cool. And it's Jacob again.
Yeah.
Pretty cool stuff. It's a big car. Bigger than that. Now we're in the bay window caboose that's coupled to the troop sleeper. And it still has most of its original equipment. Nice seats in it, the original. I love bay window cabooses, they're pretty cool. Yeah, it's got its bathroom and bunk down there and all that good stuff. Pretty cool. And Jacob is too. Yeah. So yeah, we like the little cabooses. The floor's in pretty decent shape.
Yeah, this is in fantastic shape.
Yes. All right. There we go. All right, here's the troop sleeper and the bay window caboose. Both L&N. Quite lovely.
I like these